Hey guys, it's Joshua Baker here, back with another video. Sorry this one's late, because I meant to do a chainsaw test cut video and I was unable to, due to it being dark and everything. But I'm also reaching 20 subscribers thanks to Tim making that video, that shout out video to me. I will be doing a 20 subscriber special vlog if I do reach 20 subscribers. So yeah, be prepared for that. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to do that video on the test cut the Remington 16-inch electric chainsaw. Soon I got some bar and chain oil for it. I'll show you guys this. Hang on. So I'm not sure you can really see it, but it's like the video's all dark and everything. I'll turn on the light. But yeah. Pulling bar and chain oil. There's the address. Here's the saw that I'm going to be using. That's a 16-inch bar and chain. Had to loosen it up a bit. And on saws like these, your oil cap is right here. And this is also to another subscriber of mine named Doc Brown. Just to let you know, I do talk in my videos. If you watch any of my other videos, like my new ones. But yeah, I mean, don't be talking crap about me like that, really. I mean, you won't like it when people talk to you that way. So, why are you talking to us that way? And this is also a person named Undead Keenan who changed his name. Just to let you know, Tim is on you. Also models those. So, but yeah, be sure to rate, comment, subscribe. And of course share this on Google Plus. I'll get you guys soon.